Anoda seizure weighed 2,974 kilograms.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Ranch with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Where a quick breaking news, Mede Bremo. Moi, Endra, and I said 2 days ago, news be by say, I seize cocaine be, Ghana ha. And cocaine, the 2-tipper track, Muna, they call a Western region, any sense, no. And Honorable Ntim Fojo, our ranking member on the Defense Committee of Parliament, has come up with some updates and some questions needs to be answered. National Security urgently, say answer those questions as to NIPA, the people behind this consignment. Akufado wa by mono. We were not hearing anything of this sort. You did not hear about cocaine, and cocaine, Debbie, nothing of the sort. So for such a seizure under John Dramani Mahama, NDC for Ababayemu, and do 3 months in Pono, it begs a lot of questions that need to be answered. So let's go and hear the argument as put forward by Honorable Ntim Fojo right now, just some few hours ago. Let's go and listen to this. And I believe, say, by the time you are done listening to him, you will have an idea as to which direction the whole investigation is pointing at and which people might be behind cocaine consignment right now in Ghana. And as SMB says, we might have an issue with our nation's rating. Ghana, we are known as the second most peaceful nation in Ghana, in Africa, which is better, which is way better than it was when NDC was empowered in the first time of John Dramani Mahama. And let's go and hear what the argument of Reverend Ntim Fojo is. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, and we'll bring you more updates as to when and what comes up with this investigation. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Flight, air med flight, is a medical ambulance. A flight, ambulance. It has been designed, say, for patients, and also be a funun fanfa. It is only designed for that. Air med flight, Namiko 2 number, no flight number, no N823 AM. Air med flight N823 AM. And the free Gran Canaria, no a island be a Spain. And it is noted for the Kenya, it is noted for Colombian powder. It is noted for cocaine. It is noted for washing of money laundering. And remember, the atrocities, of course, was noted for that. And a flight in the free, Belande, Ghana, 20th of March. A Belande, it take the 5 days, tarmac. After 5 days, and a Sunday party on 25th of March back to the same destination, Gran Canaria. Now 1 a.m. and match 1 a.m. and Otukoye. Miniaba, the minister Bisane said, "Me records initial investigation. My so within that period, all hospitals are Ghana. There is no evidence that there was a medical referral. I trust a medical emergency be by M1 refer patient to be the to South flight and so say on fanning Gran Canaria for further treatment. And if no be answering woman and processing the document to say Gran Canaria, South flight, air med flight, and then find in free Hong Kong. And record be answering was say Yarefo be a free Gran Canaria. Be drew memo on 20th of March. There's no documentation say patients ebe kurumu and as a patient every hako into die and as our flight in the bay or kurumu for the 4 yes flight for the 4
maybe flight in drew her 20th
yes
and I see a D 5 days and free her
the sanko the same destination
our flight yeah okay we say a ba apomudin so be yare say emergency before apomudin ho and true
yes it was
but be see ha no information e kita wo no won hu say obi yare yen hu say obi ye duro na de ba ya na say de no
but it is designed for patients. It is transportation.
Okay.
It's an ambulance. It's ambulance. Yeah, you will be a kai. Na etu adeko. Rain. Na say sabi yare for na demo a. Ya den na kwa kwaje ayarehwe.
Yenti ambulance no ekɔ na ɛwɔ se yɛde yarefo etum sɛ yarefo nim na yenhu adekora ɛwɔ mu a
it's concerning
yentumi nka sɛ esan sɛ ambulance no efiri ɔman a yɛtɔn nubɔne wɔ so na ba yenti no concern ne sɛ bi nubɔne na de ba ya na me pɛ sɛ wasɛm no obi ani ma
me ba be come akwanse so na fe ma waye nim around the same time no but the be we dey wo kan ya around the same there's another private jet Cavoc Air Antonov and 12B me ma bibia me more specifics because me research and in the Cavoc Air Antonov and 12B we check your manifest ne so e base a free the same Gran Canaria ebe drew ye memu ha Kotoka International Airport no ebe land the 12th March nebe land the 25th March na the same the air med flight N823 AM no etudi free akoye no that same 25th March 6:40 AM and then also etu free they call the same Gran Canaria. It cannot be coincidence. And no me the way to just say the necessary investigation must be done to ascertain say and you ma buy no money free ho buy and you ma buy no money free ha ekoye because the fourth estate a major stakeholder in such issues are a transparency atodwa. Because some information national security can easily verify it, and they have the information. So there's more fun to jump. No, because Ayɛka say 2 days ago. Many are power.
What's the matter? Because who to me a kita wa dia betina has say no. Woka the fourth estate say ode ban central force Emrashe bedwam ho no mo. Mu kita to me bia say Swafo say eba aviation wonom na apese ehwe say interior ministry say national security MPs no mu wotumi say wo say statement na wo beye o say point bi apese ofa so na minister na wo so obeyi ano ba bi e wo say e defa no parliament
oh yes but
I don't think say
No, are you saying but are you saying that it is inappropriate to raise this concern?
No.
Yes, and
expect say we be raising our parliament so
no problem at all. No problem at all. It will be raised there. And not only just being raised the appropriate instrument a Bema national security for did the necessary briefing abano. But I am raising it on air so that there will be transparency. Because the American I mean raising a parliament who we are made the bahanso.
Okay.
Made the bahanso a branch results. The bus answer a mamu station in so sabe gidi amanfo ewo wo mu se hwehwemu bi ebetom afidie so a mudi akire akopem sensesan bi edimu ebeba no e mani pagya pa enu nti na maba mo fidi kasie so a mi breaking news ni bi akire atifu a eti se sa nsami na akoso na enye coincidence keke enu nti information bi ewo mo bia no national security mo fa metudwa because I say so because just 3 days ago what did you see Cape Coast Omo akwakoche 350 million worth of cocaine. 350 million worth of cocaine. And and the question I'm asking is that crime rate for the past 8 years, it me to share so kurumha ameye edwa yamfendi sabi no bone ho agro nunti no Alteza group a worldwide group and a global peace index for rank Ghana say we are the second most peaceful country in Africa in terms of crime rates, and even globally, rank Ghana more favorably ahead of Australia and Canada in terms of crime rate. Sad impana yaji 3 months pay yedija yenuanum mo emeye hwehan emanioma no ngija emedi impano ensai ema ha emeye destination for sabi nubone edwadie because sakro no am a boss one obi anim de akoso ho and it's a 2 flights abaha ako around the same time in a very suspicious way aba kono kra no mpo no it is only designed for patients near nim record bia of patients e de oboba na patient ebefa omokoye no enya de a so bi bisa e say Sabia, so cry. But further to this, as a ranking member for Defense and Interior Committee, I will pursue this further.
What's a ranking member Defense Committee?
Anuntia me raise some of these topical security concerns.
Oh yes.